In this video you will learn how to buy a gift card with a debit card online. Choose a trusted retailer or platform. Visit a reliable website. This could be Walmart or Amazon or an official store for gift cards. Select the gift card. Browse through the available options, then pick the brand or store gift card you want to purchase. Choose the amount. Decide the value of your gift card. This could be $25, $50 or a custom amount, then add it to your cart. Proceed to the checkout. Click on the checkout option and review your selected gift card before paying. Select debit card as your payment method. Enter your debit card information. This will include your expiry date, CVV number and credit card number. Confirm and receive your gift card. Confirm your payment and you'll receive the gift card either via email or mail. Now you know how to buy a gift card online with a debit card. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.